Okay, guys, so now you're gonna do the words in action. The first time I'm gonna read all these words alone, and then I'm gonna repeat them one by one. When I'm done with the first, you repeat. Okay?
Okay.
Let's try it. Salad, ham, cheese, barbecue, meat, pencil, pen, book, teacher, I, my, you, your, friend, chew, me, here, and, yes, no, the USA, to like, to see, to live, to work. Now, as I said before, I'm gonna read the words, but one by one. When I'm done with the first, you just repeat. Okay?
Okay.
So let's try. Salad,
Salad,
ham,
ham,
cheese,
cheese,
barbecue,
barbecue,
meat,
meat,
pencil,
pencil,
pen,
pen,
book,
book,
teacher,
teacher,
I,
I,
you,
you,
my,
my,
your, friend,
friend,
to,
me,
here,
here,
and,
and,
yes,
yes,
no,
no,
the USA,
the USA,
to like,
to like,
to see,
to see,
to live,
to live,
and to work.
and to work.
Okay, this next time I'm gonna ask you a few things, but in English. So it will be like this. How do I say presunto in English? So you just have to say the word, but in English. Let's try.
Okay.
Okay, the first one. How do I say salada in English?
Salad,
Good. How do I say lápis in English?
pencil,
Pencil. Very good. How do I say professor in English?
teacher,
Teacher. Good. The next one. How do I say churrasco in English?
barbecue,
Barbecue.
barbecue,
Yeah, good. How do I say carne in English?
meat,
Meat. Perfect. How do I say livro?
book,
Book. How do I say queijo in English?
cheese,
Cheese. Good. Very good. Okay, let's try a few more. How do I say minhas in English?
I don't know,
Don't you know?
no,
Okay, the third word that I said to you when we finished the teacher word, it was I, you, and then my. So my, it's equal minhas.
my,
Okay?
okay,
My. It can be mean my, meu, minha, meus, and minhas in
Okay.
Portuguese. Okay? So how do I say minhas in English?
my,
My. Very good. How do I say Estados Unidos in English?
USA,
Almost that. You have to say the USA.
okay, the USA,
Yes. How do I say gostar in English?
I like it,
To like.
to like,
Yeah.
okay,
Always have to put the to before the word
okay,
because it's in infinitive mode, right?
right.
So gostar, to like. Okay.
Okay,
The next. How do I say in English morar?
I living,
Almost that. Wanna try again?
okay,
Try it.
I live,
No, no.
No.
Just the word.
no, I don't know,
No. To live. To live.
to live,
As
okay.
you said, gostar, to like. To live mean to live mean morar.
Okay,
Okay?
live,
Or viver. Morar, viver. Okay? And the last one, how do I say trabalhar in English?
I'm working.
No.
No.
Again, you're putting the personal pronoun, but that was not what I'm talking. I'm asking you for. Okay, just the word, particular word, not a sentence. Just the word. How do I say trabalhar in English?
Work.
Work. Almost that. Remember, I told you have to put the to before the word. So work.
Working?
No. To.
To work.
To work.
Okay.
Perfect. Yes, because it is in the infinitive mode.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
So to live, to like, to see, ver, to work, trabalhar, okay, and etc. Do you have any doubts about these words?
No, no,
No?
no.
All okay? All
Okay.
good? Okay. This word and actions is all about vocabulary words. So it's good for making new sentence, right?
Okay.
Good. The next step about our lesson today is the grammar file. For grammar file, we have the simple present tense of the lesson 1. Good? After we finish this, we will be able to answer has short answers. For example, how do I say morar in English? We just learned it. To
live.
To live, exactly. So, if someone asks you, where do you live? Onde você mora? You can answer, I live in
Florianópolis.
Florianópolis, the city where you belong, where you live. Okay. The simple present tense, it doesn't use the verb to be. What is the verb to be? Am, are, or is. It's the same of the verbo ser em português. In Portuguese, right? So, o verbo ser em português, ele é eu sou, eu estou. Ela é, ela está. Nós somos, nós estamos. Nós não podemos usar o verbo to be ao mesmo tempo que usamos o simple present. Ou seja, nós temos um verbo auxiliar no simple present, que seria o caso o do ou o does, dependendo de qual pronome pessoal estamos falando, né? About which personal pronoun we are talking about in this sentence, okay? So, for example, if I said, I like barbecue, I'm saying eu gosto de churrasco. Perfect. How do I say, or how can I say eu não gosto de churrasco? But this in English. You have to put a negative form in the simple present tense. And this negative form, it will be equal adding not after the do.
I don't like barbecue.
Barbecue.
Okay.
Perfect. This I don't means the contract form. Okay? So it's the short form.
Okay.
The negative form, but about short form. You always have to can say that's more acceptable. You can say to I do not like barbecue. It's also a good answer. Okay?
Okay.
About the short answers, I made it as an example here with the to like verb. To like, it's the translation about to like is
Gostar.
verbo gostar. So if someone asks you, do you like barbecue?
I like barbecue.
Almost that. Well, you have the word do in the sentence, right?
Okay.
So this sentence is about simple present tense. Okay? Remember what we're talking?
Yes.
When we have don't or doesn't or does or do, right? It's simple present tense. Now we can see this. The person is making a question. Do you like barbecue? Você gosta de churrasco? So we can answer in a short answer. Short answer means uma resposta curta. Sim, eu gosto. Não, eu não gosto. Curta
Okay.
e objetiva. Quando alguém lhe perguntar usando o simple present, e a frase irá começar com o verbo auxiliar, do ou então does. Será uma frase afirmativa, né, no caso, e você poderá responder de duas maneiras, negativamente ou positivamente. No caso da positiva, let's try. Let's see if you can understand me. Do you like barbecue? You have to answer. Yes, I do. For affirmative, sim, eu gosto. Or no, I don't. Okay? But remember, we are talking about short answers. It's very objective answer. Sim, eu gosto. Não, eu não gosto. Okay?
Okay.
We'll still have a full answer. That's how I call it. Full answer. The full answer about this question is a formal answer. It's better to say a formal way to answer this question. Do you like barbecue? You can answer in a full form. Yes, I do like barbecue.
Okay.
In the affirmative sentence, okay? In the negative, you can just say, no, I don't like barbecue. Okay? Do you got the difference? Do you understand the difference between short and full?
Yes.
Okay, can you tell me in English the difference?
No. No.
Okay, let's try it one more time.
Okay.
Short means curta.
Short me.
É, short answers, respostas curtas mais objetivas. Não, não gosto. Sim, eu gosto.
Okay.
No. For example, are you enjoying this class? You can say, but this is the verb to be. Are you enjoying it, right? You can say yes, or you can say no. Short answers.
Okay.
Very objective answers, right? In the simple present, you have to use for answer in the affirmative or negative. Yes, I do for affirmative. No, I don't. Talking about short answers. But now I'm going to teach you the full answers. Full answers means resposta mais completa.
Okay.
It will always depend with who you're talking about. For example, vai depender muito de com quem você estiver falando. Se for com um amigo, pode falar da forma coloquial. Yes, I do, no, I don't. Sim, eu gosto, não, eu não gosto. Porque é um amigo, é uma pessoa mais próxima, é uma linguagem mais coloquial. Com uma pessoa mais que exige um pouco mais de atenção, né, uma forma mais formal, por exemplo, um professor, ou os pais, né, algum líder político, então você sempre vai tentar manter a forma mais formal, que seria, no caso, vamos pegar um outro exemplo aqui, o verbo to want, que é o verbo querer. Do you want a car? How would you answer this? In a short answer.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do. You want a car. I understand this, okay? But in the negative form, how would you answer?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. Short answers. Agree?
Okay.
Okay. So, the full form of this answer will be, do you need a car in the full form?
Yes, I need a car.
I do need a car.
I do need a car.
In the negative form?
No, I don't. I need a car.
I don't need a car. Perfect. Okay. Well, as I can see, in my opinion, I think you got this class.
Yes.
Right?